omurigereria county ya Machakos ase Ekeombe kia barimu kia Knut Kenya koba ase Ekeombe kia barimu kia Knut orosagiorio Kenya koba Koenekia umuyigo bukomera na kumwaka na Koenekia Obochori nigo bono omugacho mune bwe ekiamekyo bose Ekeombe kyo Mr. Muho Ndiku anyara koba akagotendera Obochorobu ase aborire abaraya bari bachorero Koenekia bona nkobeka bare meroberio yo Koenekia bona ngokonya bare amaganio ya barimu nigo boigo bakwaneire bose bamochire egetambokero kigati y'abarimu abanebe CHISUKURU kunyara koba bakonganyigwa asencherere yo gwanchereria nigo boigo baborire ESEREKARI Koenekia bona nkobekere omukia BOKOBWATOKA CHIBESA uchi ase CHISUKURU ekirache gokonya aborkiwa abumuraibwense aruguchika banyara koba bagwikirana ase CHISUKURU babwate school fees bose tibabwati
in Machakos branch, and I want to take this opportunity to thank all the leaders who are with me here in Machakos. We are happy that we are celebrating Machakos Knut branch for doing a very successful election. We understand that today was the AGM 2026 for Machakos Knut branch, whose agenda was elections. And the leaders I have here bear me witness that Machakos branch has demonstrated a rare poignancy of unity, where from yesterday, because it is yesterday we did nominations, and this morning they showed the world that they are able to conduct very successful democratic elections. As the Kenya National Union of Teachers, we are saying this, that it is the responsibility of the parent to ensure that those students report to the schools of their choices. And then we're asking the government, children or even students do not report to school to stay. They report to learn. They do not report for roll calls. They report to be accommodated, to learn, to take part in active learning. So we are saying, let the government send monies to these schools. We do not want the complaint that students are getting to schools and then the schools are lacking facilities to accommodate the students, because schools need food, schools need mattresses, schools need beds, and school needs food and many other things. So it is upon the government to walk its talk.